This is URK 19CS1093. Experiment number 1. Question is to find solution for fractional knapsack problem using greedy technique. So let's see the code. First, we are giving a function, double function called fractional knapsack, where we'll initialize a double variable array, that is W for the weight, then double variable P of array, then int W, this is the capacity of knapsack, and then int N, this is for the number of elements in it. Now inside the function we are initializing weight equal to 0 and profit equal to 0 in the initial stage, and double x of n, because we are not taking the complete thing, and using a for loop we are initializing x of I equal to 0. Then using another for loop we are calculating the profit, that if in int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and inside this for loop we are checking the if condition whether weight plus w of I is less than or equal to w, that is the weight of the limit should be always lesser than the capacity, and we are initializing x of I equal to 1 because we are not taking the complete thing, only a part we are taking. Then we are incrementing weight of I and p of I, and in the else part we are initializing x of I equal to w minus weight divided by w of I, and we are storing the capacity to the variable weight, and then we are calculating the profit by profit plus x of I into p of I. We are giving break because to stop it there, and we will return the profit. So inside the main function, we are initializing the value, the array elements for weight and profit. We are also applying the capacity, giving the capacity, that is in W equal to 50, and we are calculating N is equal to the formula is size of weight divided by size of weight of 0, and we are initializing a double uh, rat of N. This is for the ratio, and this for loop is to get the value of ratio, the array elements of ratio, this 0 to n, like I less than n, I plus plus, so it will go till n. Then we are initializing temp1, temp2. This is to sort the ratio in the decreasing order so that we can get the weight and profit. So here we are using two for loops to sort, and inside this condition we are checking if ratio of I is less than ratio of j, then profit of I is stored into temp, and profit of j is stored into profit of I, and temp's value is stored in profit of j, and in temp of i's weight of i's value is stored in temp of 1, and weight of j's value is stored in weight of I. Temp1 is value stored in weight of j, and ratio of I is stored in temp2, and ratio of j is stored in ratio I, the ratio of I. Then temp2's value is stored in ratio of j. This is how we sort the ratio in the decreasing order, and then we'll coming out of the for loop and if condition, we are giving double maximum, that is to get the maximum profit equal to, it will call the function fractional knapsack weight of weight profit w n, and it will print the maximum value, that is maxi, it will print it. Let's run the code. So the weight, profit and all are 10, 40, 20, 30. Profit is 60, 40, 100, 120, and capacity is 50. So the maximum value which we get is 240. Thank you.